The Supreme Court sidestepped the issue of whether the Trump administration can end birthright citizenship for children born in the U.S. from non-citizen parents. They did say, however, that federal judges who issue nationwide injunctions blocking presidential orders, such as the one reshaping birthright citizenship, are overstepping their authority. Erica Brown has more details from the White House.
Well, this was a big one, wasn't it?
President Trump praised a Supreme Court ruling that limits the ability of federal judges to issue nationwide injunctions blocking presidential orders.
This is really also a decision based on common sense.
The High Court sided with the Trump administration in a 6-3 decision, split along ideological lines. Justice Amy Coney Barrett, writing the majority opinion, said, quote, universal injunctions likely exceeded the equitable authority that Congress has given to federal courts.
It was a grave threat to democracy, frankly, and instead of merely ruling on the immediate cases before them, these judges have attempted to dictate the law for the entire nation.
Writing the dissenting opinion, Justice Sonia Sotomayor said no right is safe in the new legal regime the court creates. Many of President Trump's executive orders have been halted with these nationwide injunctions issued by federal judges. But now the president says his administration will move forward implementing those orders,
including birthright citizenship, ending sanctuary city funding, suspending refugee resettlement, freezing unnecessary funding, stopping federal taxpayers from paying for transgender surgeries, and numerous other priorities of the American people. We have so many of them.
The Supreme Court's ruling did not address the constitutionality of the president's move to limit birthright citizenship. The Attorney General said she expects that issue to reach the justices this fall. Erica Brown, CBS News, the White House.
Now, immediately following the Supreme Court's decision, several groups have already filed class action lawsuits in an attempt to block the birthright citizenship executive order from taking effect. We reached out to the ACLU for a comment on today's ruling and its impact on the ongoing legal battle surrounding birthright citizenship. Now, they sent us a response saying the fight is not over. The statement says in part, quote, the court's decision to potentially open the door to enforcement is disappointing, but we will do everything in our power to ensure no child is ever subjected to the executive order. Now, the group goes on to say, quote, we will vindicate the 14th Amendment's fundamental promise that ensures every child born on U.S. soil is recognized as a citizen of this country. Now, we're also hearing from Arkansas's U.S. lawmakers about the decision. Senator Tom Cotton sharing this statement on social media not long after the ruling came down. It says, quote, letting one liberal district court judge dictate policy for the nation was undemocratic and unconstitutional. I am grateful that the Supreme Court acted to limit nationwide injunctions from resistance judges. This is important and an important victory for every American.